Hi, I'm Vicky Papaioannou, and I'm a mixed media artist and craft designer. Welcome to Create Happiness, my very first collection for Stamperia. Beautiful products and must-have supplies to get you started in art journaling. In art journaling, you work inside a book and not on a canvas. It's all about the journey and not the destination. It's not about perfection and there are no rules. Anything goes. Create happiness in your art journal and bring joy to your life through art. Basic supplies and versatile designs, perfect not only for the experienced crafter, but also for those who want to start now. The mixed media journals are ready to decorate and they come in many sizes. New items. Dye ink pads, great for stamping and perfect for ink blending. 6 brand new colors. Stencils, perfect for backgrounds and borders. And ribbons to add those extra touches. New ephemera for your focal points. Stamps that work for any style. So get your art journal out and play. It's therapeutic and guaranteed to bring you happiness. But beware, it is addictive.